In today's video, I'll show you how to add guests in Asana. A guest is someone outside your organization, like a freelancer, a client, or a contractor, who you want to collaborate with on a specific project without giving them access to everything else. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open the project I want to share by clicking on my test project. Now, up in the top right corner, you'll see the Share button. This is where all project access is managed. I'll click Share now. This opens the Members dialog, and right at the top you'll see a field that says Invite with Email. This is where the magic happens. Adding a guest works exactly like adding a teammate. You simply type in their email address. Here's the key thing that makes them a guest. When you enter an email that's outside your company's domain, say a personal Gmail or a client's own company address, Asana automatically treats that person as a guest rather than a full member. So you'd type the guest's email right into this field, then choose their permission level from the drop-down beside it, usually editor so they can contribute, or commenter if you just want their feedback. Then you click the Invite button, and Asana sends them an email invitation to join just this one project. And that's it. Once they accept, your guest can see and work on this project, and only this project. They can't browse your other work, your team's projects, or anything private. It's collaboration without oversharing. One important note, guests are a great way to keep external partners in the loop, but do keep an eye on your plan, since some Asana tiers limit how many guests you can invite. So to recap, open your project, click Share, type your guest's external email into the Invite field, set their permission, and click Invite. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.